The inspiration of us opening Refined Living Real Estate Brokerage was our philosophy of being client-centric. Clients have always come first, and they deserve a quality real estate agent. Our hands-on, white-glove service throughout the entire transaction is what sets us apart from other brokerages. We listen, we care, and we communicate. A real estate transaction is extremely personal, and while it's exciting, it can be stressful without the right representation. Unlike what you'll see on a reality TV show, there's ups and downs, twists and turns on every deal. It's not just simply finding a home or listing a property for sale. There's a lot happening behind the scenes, from negotiating and going into contract to getting to the closing table. With our experience, we're able to steer clear of many of the pitfalls that could ruin what's supposed to be a life-changing experience.
I'm Candace Rabarczyk, owner-broker of Refined Living, a real estate brokerage. I like to pride my business on making my clients number one. That comes with communication, availability, and the knowledge of our market. Sometimes I find in this business that clients are thought of as paperwork or dollar amount. So this is one of my biggest pet peeves because it's the exact opposite. You need to know that your agent is 100% on your side and advocating your best interests. You are entrusting us to advise you on one of the biggest decisions you'll ever make.